Hey guys, welcome back to X Games HW. We are so excited to show you the finished product, which actually happens to be for my ex-husband and kids.
Last time we were here, it was a dusty, dirty construction zone, and this time it's a fully finished home. Come on in and let's take the tour. Welcome to our informal living space here at X Games. If you guys remember, this was an old school sunken living room. There was a large partition wall dividing the space. It felt very closed and dark. So we came in, we opened everything up. We created this gorgeous built-in bar and kind of a flex space for this large family. One of my favorite features in the home is the custom bar we created. We, again, were able to select a beautiful slab material, and we really wanted to use it like art. So we have upper steel and glass cabinetry. It's functional and serves for housing all of your barware and glasses, accessories, but also it allows the eye to continue through to see the beauty of the natural stone. A fun feature in the bar were two sconce lights. They're actually identical, but we layered them in a really cool way on the wall. When they're turned on, it gives this really fun, funky glow, and it just feels like, again, another piece of art on the wall.
So as you know, this house was for my ex-husband, and we have 4 kids together. So the directive with the space was family-friendly, comfortable, performance fabrics, and just great entertaining space. So once this wall came down with this fireplace in demo, we were really able to open up the whole space, give him lots of family-friendly seating, play area for the kids with the pool table. All of it opens to outside, so you could really just make this an incredible entertaining space, which I think we accomplished for him. All of his furniture is super comfortable, family-friendly performance fabrics for the 4 kids who are a little bit messy, I'm not gonna lie. And we're just so thrilled with how it turned out, and I know that they all love it too, which is the best part.
Welcome to the kitchen and definitely the heart of the home. This kitchen is complete with literally all the bells and whistles. We've got double islands, beautiful natural marble countertops, a galley workstation, which is great for cooking, cleaning, prepping. It's so multifunctional. We also really played with the architecture here. We had a center line that was not quite symmetrical. We ran a fabulous beam which split the skylights, streaming so much natural light, and splitting center the beams gave us this opportunity for this incredible staggered pendant moment that is leading the way to the focal point, which is a beautiful lime wash hood. And then we took this back wall and we have a jib door. So when it's closed, the whole wall looks so symmetrical. It can kind of close off that section of the house, which is for the girls, and just a really easy flow.
One of the beautiful things about custom cabinetry is just all the different ways you can use it and make it your own. We have tons of opportunities for trash pullouts, knife block inserts, cutlery inserts. We paneled the warming drawer. We did all kinds of fun things that you can't really do with stock cabinetry. Another thing that we love to do is keep all the lines really clean in a kitchen, so you'll never see kind of jumbled doors next to drawers. Everything, as you can see, lines up and is very symmetrical. And one of the things that we love to do is make our refrigerators appear larger than they are. And we do that by, again, with custom cabinetry. You can do a full panel and it attaches to the inside of the fridge, but above that we were able to put additional storage because the panel goes all the way to the top. Custom cabinetry, if you can do it, is the way to go to get absolutely everything you want out of your kitchen.
For the primary bedroom, we wanted to create a real sense of serenity. We wanted it to be interesting, but very soothing and calm. So we layered lots and lots of textures. We've got woven rugs, bouclés, mohair, and the focal point of the room is definitely the headboard wall. We decided to use a custom mural, which is hand painted on a woven paper weave. It's super interesting. It's definitely a statement, but it still is very soothing. It's almost reminiscent of clouds.
This primary bathroom is another example of letting beautiful materials speak for themselves. So we have this gorgeous marble, which we've done one wall in the shower, and the vanities in a super thick, chunky, mitered edge. We have this amazing mosaic marble floor. Again, we have custom cabinetry, double vanity. The showstopper in this bathroom for me is really this Native Trails tub. It is a gorgeous, oversized stone tub. It took 6 to 8 men to get it in here because it's so heavy, but it's huge and it can fit 4 kids and a dog very comfortably. We tried that out already. We also have this gorgeous woven pendant. We have a textural grass cloth on the walls behind the vanities, wall mount plumbing, so many amazing things in this bathroom, but it really is just all beautiful materials that come together to make something even more amazing.
When we talk luxury meets laundry, this is like the epitome. This laundry room is so beautiful, such incredible materials, but one feature that we are so excited about, and we know you will be too, is this LG steam unit. It is hidden beautifully behind custom cabinet doors. What a dream is this? You hang up your shirt, your skirt, your jacket, close the door, press the button, come back, and you're ready to go.
There's a gorgeous handmade mosaic flooring that is also the floor used in the base of the dog shower. And then we use this gorgeous Silige handmade tile all on the walls and mixed like a square with a rectangle to create a little bit of a different pattern. You know we love our laundry rooms to be both beautiful and functional, so whenever we have the opportunity to make that happen, we of course do, and we did that here with custom cabinetry and beautiful handmade tiles and materials. One of the things that was important to incorporate was a bunk room because we do have some girls together and they do love to bunk up together and share a room. And my youngest daughter, who's 12, is really coming into her own with hair and makeup, and so she really wanted her own space that she could really set up a makeup mirror and kind of get ready every day. And this home had this amazing opportunity for this down the long hallway when you are leaving the kitchen. We saw this space and really thought that it would be the perfect opportunity to incorporate a makeup vanity area with some extra storage for clothes, etc.
Lisa's youngest daughter is in her full-fledged preteen years, very girly and into all the good stuff, makeup, nail polish, Taylor Swift. So we wanted to give it so much personality. We color drenched with this beautiful blushy tone. We painted out the millwork, the baseboards, the doors, and we really utilized the fifth wall, which is the ceiling. A lot of people leave it plain, but it's the perfect place to really create some drama and add some texture with a fun pattern or color.
The bunk bed and the bunk room are all custom cabinetry. Again, you know we love our custom, but this is a great example why. You can build exactly what you want, get the exact storage that you need, the number of beds that you need, and really maximize the space. Bench seat, just so much storage that all preteen girls need.
This was a really fun undertaking for us. It was an older home located on a beautifully oversized lot in the heart of Wellington. It was very dated and in some dire need of some serious renovation and restoration.
When we were looking at it from an aesthetic standpoint, we obviously love a nice crisp white home with some dark accents, so we went with a dark charcoal roof. We painted the exterior of the home a nice crisp white. So we added a lot of interesting features to the front of the home, including this amazing pivot door, which is really what you see when you pull up to the house and adds a tremendous amount of curb appeal because it's just this gorgeous pivot door. So we tried to do things that would really up the curb appeal to the entire exterior of the home without breaking the bank.
We saw the lot, the surroundings, the trees, and we knew we wanted to do a gorgeous new pool, outdoor living area, and outdoor kitchen. We selected really oversized and comfortable furnishings, all done, of course, in outdoor performance fabrics so that the whole family and all of their friends could enjoy the beautiful outdoor living space. Ultimately, we ended up doing the most amazing multi-pendant lighting installation in that outdoor rotunda-like dining area, and we wanted the furnishings to be equally as impactful. The chairs we selected really have a beautiful back detail, and the whole vignette is just this really special moment.
The takeaway from this project should really be that amazing changes can happen if you hire the right team, put your faith in the right people who have a vision, who can guide you along the way, and bring a project of this caliber all the way to fruition. It takes certainly a village to accomplish a project like this, and it takes a lot of trust on the part of the homeowner as well. So we're always grateful when people can put their trust in us and we can bring the vision to life.
We really just want to encourage you after watching this home tour, whether it's a whole home or one space, dream it and go for it. And that's another turnkey HW project completed.
And we gotta go. We're busy. Let's go. On to the next.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along on the next adventure.
We do all this for you guys, so if you want to see all the projects from start to finish, make sure you hit that button below, subscribe, and be the first to know of any new HW projects coming your way.